years. Don't let this opportunity to make the most out of your teen years go to waste. You are a person full of potential. Maximize it when you can. Happy 18th birthday, Ate Cheese.
Chill and Manglapos. Lady Queen Ostara.
Happy birthday, Ate. I hope you can fulfill all your dreams in life. More birthdays to come. Take care always, Ate Gabby.
Now may I ask the debutant to blow her 18 candles.
I-live mo man dahil ito kung kuha mo tabi live. Video dahil tang i-live mo nga raw.